Oh, happy Sunday. It is July 14th and we just got back from Lowe's. We got a bunch of like piping and stuff for the garden so that we can rig it up so that we don't have to worry about it dying when we go on vacations or whatever. And so we don't have to spend an hour each day watering. So we're gonna get that all rigged up today. We just got all of the piping and stuff, but I have to tell you guys, this morning, our turkey flew away. She slept outside the coop last night. She flew on top of the coop, and then normally she flies down in the morning and she kind of calls for us to come out and let her into the coop. But I went out this morning and she's nowhere to be found. And she's been gone all morning long. It's now like 10:30 and she's still not back. So I'm a little sad. I'm a little concerned. I hope she's okay. I hope she just heard a male calling, because we hear males calling all the time, especially like in the early morning. So I hope that she heard a male calling and that she went after him and that she got bread and she's been hanging out with him. But I hope she comes back, or I hope that if she doesn't, that she's happy and she's safe. I'm just really concerned for her and I'm worried about her. And anywho, so that was my morning so far, but we're gonna go outside. It's already like 90 degrees outside and it's so hot. The like heat index is just intense right now. But we gotta get it done. So I'll fill you guys in with everything that we're doing and I'll see you guys here in a few minutes.
Alright, programming is gonna be fun.
Yeah. Got ourselves an easy up here so that we don't fry to death. It's supposed to be like 101 or so today, so it's definitely going to be a scorcher, and we want to be able to work the whole day, so this is going to help us get through the whole day, not being beat down by the sun. Anywho, we're starting now. We've got all of our stuff. We bought some new stuff from the store. We got 500 feet of tubing, so hopefully that'll be enough to do everything. And we're gonna get this thing going. Come on here. Hey guys, so as you can see, we had to go back to Lowe's. Didn't get enough of those parts that we needed to do all of the hosing for the irrigation, and we didn't have enough of the little sprinkler heads either, so we had to go back to Lowe's all the way in the town next couple, actually it's a couple towns over, but anywho, we're back now. It's like 5:30 and we're gonna try to get the rest of it done. Don't know if we will before it gets dark, but fingers crossed. It's looking really, really good. I can't wait to show you guys. We're actually going to do a whole video of the entire process and how we did it. So keep your eyes out for that. It's going to be a good video. Guys, I'm so happy. My turkey's back. We were in the garden doing the irrigation and she literally flew right above our heads onto the house. It was amazing and I'm so happy. She's back home and I don't have to worry anymore. So I can sleep tonight, not thinking, oh my God, is she okay? Or is she ever gonna come back? Because she's back. Oh my God, my old duck, my 5-year-old duck, just hatched out babies. And the first one just hatched out and it's so cute. It's a perfect little baby. So I am creating a little area. I should have done this a while ago, but I didn't know they were actually gonna hatch this quick. Hey, it's Monday. Just got off of work. I'm letting the chickens out. I'm also gonna go check on the little baby ducklings. Come on, guys. Come on out. I'm excited. Let's go.
Mommy and all her babies. They're all coming out. She's a very happy one.
Hey guys, so I'm out here watering the garden. We are in the process of still doing the irrigation throughout the entire garden. You can see all the lines everywhere. But it's gonna take us another day or so to get everything done. So I still have to hand water, which is totally fine because it's only temporary. And I'm just really excited to get this all done. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, July 16th, 2 days away from a birthday. Just thought you guys should know, just in case you're wondering. Anywho, I'm in here checking on the chickens. Well, not really the chickens, the baby ducklings. I let all the chickens out, so they're all gone doing their thing. These ducks are being ducks, and it's embarrassing. And I'm checking on the babies. We've got 6 ducklings so far, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs left to hatch. So, you want to see the babies? I'll show you.
I don't want to upset Mommy and get too close. But so we got 6 little babies back there so far. They are so cute. That one in the corner. Let's see if I can. That one that just stood up. This guy right there. He just hatched about 30 minutes ago, so he's still brand new. Mama's actually letting me get pretty close. Hi, Mama. Are we so happy? Yes. With the dapper, Mama. Hi, Tina. Hi, Bobina. What are you doing? What are you doing, Beanie? Come here. Come here, my girl. Come here for hugs. Oh, my sweet Beanie. Oh, she loves cuddles so much. These are her favorite. Aw, Beanie, she's got this growth on her face. She's had it for about 4 years. And every year it gets bigger. But it doesn't seem to affect her much, so I just leave it be for now. Huh. Yeah, it's my girl. My beaners. Oh, she loves hugs. She wraps her head around my neck and she just gives nice, wonderful hugs. Yeah. This is Teeny. Tina Teenerson. She's my girl. Come on, guys. Let's move it. Why are we taking our time? What is going on? You normally rush out here. I want to go in there and see ducklings. So can we please be a little faster? Please. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I see lots of ducklings. I see lots of ducklings. Okay. Mama, I'm coming and checking. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 babies. We've got 10. Oh my goodness, baby girl. So I just surrounded the entire crate with some hardware cloth. I just attached it with zip lines, and it's because the babies were jumping out of the little slats in between and coming over here, and then coming over here between these ones out into the open with all the chickens. And the chickens weren't going after them, but I don't want to take any chances that I come home to any dead ducklings, so I just did that, and now they're super happy underneath Mom. We've got some food and water. The water's just a big tub. I've got some rock in there, so that the babies have a place where they can rest their, stand up and kind of rest if they're getting tired. And then they won't drown in there. But they are hatched underneath a mama duck, so that means that they are going to get her oils. So they'll be able to stay in water and float a lot better than if they were hatched in an incubator. And I just have a big old thing of food. I should have not put that much in there, but I'll probably change it in the morning. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a tired duckling. Oh my goodness. Anywho, she is just the happiest mommy ever in here with her babies. And now I feel a lot better because now I know they're not going to get out. They're protected. And I can just rest easy.
Hey guys, it's Thursday. It's my birthday. Finally 30. Anyways, I worked all day today, and then me and Kyle went out to dinner. Now we're just doing everything before it gets dark real quick. I'm checking on the ducklings, filling up their water, and they went through all of their water today. And then I'm going to give the goats some hay. And then I'm going to enjoy the rest of what's left of my birthday. Worked majority of it, which is no big deal. I was just gonna sit at home if I asked it off, so I'm glad I got paid and got to kind of just hang out all day. Anywho, my party is gonna be this Saturday with my friends and my dad, and so I'm excited. So I'm just checking on the animals, and that's basically it for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
They went through all that water. Mama, you got a lot of babies under there. You got a lot on your plate, Missy. She's as happy as can be, though. Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
Hey guys, it's Friday, July 19th. Got off work about an hour or so ago, but we found a kitten. It was in our garage. It was actually trapped in there. I think it's been trapped in there for quite a while. It was pretty skinny and very dehydrated. It's been drinking and eating nonstop. It's a lot happier. We gave it some flea medicine, gave it a bath first, and now Kyle's like flea combing it. But we already have 5 indoor cats. We do not want any more indoor cats. We are pretty lucky with the ones we have. They all get along really well, and none of them pee or poop outside of their boxes. So I mean, we're really lucky with the cats we have, and we really don't want to mess that chemistry up. So I don't know, we just don't know what to do because it's literally such a tiny little baby kitten, and it's clearly attached to us now, like it won't leave. So I don't know, I'll show you guys it. It's so cute.
Oh, I know it. You're so protective. Oh, step all in the food. It's lovely. Happy Saturday, my loves. Oh, gonna get in there. You almost got it. Oh, so close. Mama, oh my goodness, she's so frisky right now. Mama, that's not a tub. That's your baby's water. Oh my god.
Hey guys, it's Sunday now. We absolutely did zero stuff in the garden or on the homestead, pretty much in general yesterday. I did take care of some of the animals, of course. That's like a daily thing. I completely cleaned the bunny cages and the indoor chicken cage yesterday. I went and fed the goats as always and filled up their waters, fed the chickens, let them out all day. So of course we did our normal homesteading stuff, but nothing that we could actually dedicate some time to because we were mainly just cleaning the house so that our friends can come over because we had a birthday party for me last night with all my friends. So that was really fun, but we're at the end of the week now. But yeah, because we didn't have anything that we did yesterday, we didn't film anything. So this is the end of week 4 of A Weekend Homesteader's Life. Hope that you guys are enjoying my series. Today we're actually doing a ton of stuff in the garden and harvesting a ton of food. So if you guys want to see all of that good stuff, check out next week's week 5. All that stuff will be there in the beginning of the week.